Adult Solutions. Add-on desires.
Hello viewers, welcome to Adult Solution Daily Current Affairs. I'm Lokesh Pengonda. This session is mainly designed for aspirants preparing for banking, groups and such other competitive examinations. We cover news articles from both the Hindu and the Indian Express, so make a use of it. Our first article will be dealing with the topic CERT-In. So what does CERT-In stands for? It stands for Computer Emergency Response Team India. Computer Emergency Response Team India. This was set up in the year 2004. This was set up in the year 2004 under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. The basic objective of setting up this organization is to protect the Indian cyberspace. It is to protect the Indian cyberspace. This is the major objective of this organization, whereas the main functions of this organization is to collect, analyze and disseminate the information relating to the cyber attacks, and also it provides alerts when it comes to the cyber related incidents. So first is it will collect, it will analyze and it will disseminate information relating to the cyber security, and next is it will provide cyber attacks alerts, cyber alerts during the cyber attacks, so that the firm which is coming under the cyber attack may protect itself. This is regarding the CERT-In. Next we have an article dealing with NIA. What does NIA stands for? It stands for National Intelligence Agency. It was set up in the year 2008 under the National Intelligence Agency Act of 2008. It is India's counter-terrorism. It is India's counter-terrorism law enforcement agency. Law enforcement agency. It deals with actions that may disrupt India's sovereignty, security and integrity. That is, it will look into the actions and it will investigate the actions which might disrupt India's sovereignty, security and integrity of the country. It will look into the terrorism related actions, and also it will look into and investigate the fake Indian currency. Fake Indian currency. So these are the main actions and functions of the NIA, and also you should note that it is a nodal agency and the central counter-terrorism law enforcement agency in the country. Next we have an article talking about the IAF chief, who is the Indian Air Force chief. In the image you can see Mr. RKS Bhaduria, the fourth one or the most right one, and also as we have an article dealing with the IAF chief, we will also look into the chiefs of other armed forces. In the image you can see Mr. Naravane, who is the chief of army, and in the image you can see the chief of navy, who is Mr. Karambir Singh, and also you can see in the image that we have the chief of defense staff, who is the first ever chief of defense staff. It is Mr. Bipin Rawat. Bipin Rawat. So we have three organizational heads and also we have the chief of defense staff in this image. This is the factual knowledge which can be asked in any examination. Next we have an article dealing with the Great Indian Bustards, where it is stated that they are being poached that is illegally being hunted down in the country of Pakistan. Now we'll see about the Great Indian Bustard. In the image you can see that Great Indian Bustard is a very large bird, and also you should remember that it is one of the largest weighing birds that can fly. That is, they are one of the highest weighing birds that can fly, and its IUCN status is critically endangered. Nearly 80% of the bird's population have declined from 1980 onwards. It is mainly because of poaching and hunting for illegal activities, and also due to the encroachment of wildlife area by humans. So, due to all these factors, the number of birds living in the wild have drastically reduced, and as a result, its IUCN status is critically endangered. And in India, this bird is kept under the Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act. So, if an animal is kept under the Wildlife Protection Act Schedule 1, it will be given highest importance and priority for its conservation. And this bird mainly lives in the countries of India and Pakistan, and it lives in the arid and semi-arid grasslands. This is regarding the relevant information of Great Indian birds. Next is we have an article talking about Mr. Raul Castro stepping down as the Cuban Communist Party chief. So you should note that whoever is the head of the Cuban Communist Party will generally become the head of the government of Cuba. So as we have an article dealing with Cuba, we'll see where Cuba is. Cuba is near the United States, the Mexico, and it is in the Caribbean Sea. Cuba is an island and its capital is Havana. So Cuba is a Caribbean island which is located near all these islands and the countries of US and the Mexico, and its capital is Havana. These are the relevant information you should remember when going to the examination. Next, we have an article where it is stated that the Minister of External Affairs of India, Mr. Jaishankar, will be visiting Abu Dhabi soon. So, where is Abu Dhabi? Abu Dhabi is the capital of UAE, which is the United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates. You can see in this image where UAE is. It is bounding the countries of Saudi Arabia and Oman, and it is near the Gulf of Oman. So the capital of UAE is Abu Dhabi, and the Minister of External Affairs is visiting it today. As we are talking about UAE, you should also know about relevant facts about the UAE. UAE is India's third largest trading partner. Third largest trading partner. So what are the first and the second largest trading partners? They are China and the USA. This is one fact. Next is 34 lakh Indian migrants live in the country of UAE, and they amount to nearly 27% of the UAE's population. So nearly 28% of the UAE's population are Indian migrants. And next is UAE recently started a nuclear power plant called as Barakah nuclear power plant. What is the significance of starting this? by starting a nuclear power plant, the UAE became the first ever country in the Arabian Peninsula to have a nuclear power plant. In the image, you can see that we have the Arabian Peninsula. What is a peninsula? Peninsula is a land body which is situated by water in three sides. You can see the Red Sea here, you can see the Arabian Sea here, and you can see the Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman. So, the Arabian Peninsula is being surrounded by three water bodies. So, this is called as a peninsula, and this is the relevant information relating to the UAE. Next, we have an article where it is stated that Mr. Guillermo Lasso has recently become the president-elect. That is, he will take in charge of the presidency of the country of Ecuador. So, where is the country Ecuador? It is in the South American continent. It is in the South American continent. In the image, you can see the Ecuador, which is bordering the countries of Colombia and Peru, and its capital is Quito. So, Quito is the capital of Ecuador, and it is a South American country. Also, you should note that there are some islands called as the Galapagos Islands. These islands come under the Ecuador, and recently we have seen Galapagos Islands in the news. Why? Because there have been some information that some Chinese ships have visited the Galapagos Islands without the permission of the country Ecuador. So, where will be this Galapagos Islands? They are nearly in this region. In this region of the Pacific Ocean, we can see the Galapagos Islands, which come under the Ecuador. Next, we have an article talking about Farm Excel. So, what is the Farm Excel? It is a body set up by the Government of India in the year 2004 under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, the main objective of this Farm Excel body is to promote pharmaceutical exports from India to other countries. And also you should note that it is headquartered in city of Hyderabad, which comes under the state Telangana. So, Farm Excel is a body set up by the Government of India under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry in the year 2004 with a basic objective of increasing India's pharmaceutical exports to other countries, and its capital is in Hyderabad. Next, we have an article dealing with Mr. Ravi Kumar. In the image, you can see Mr. Ravi Kumar being participated in the Asian Championships, and in the Asian Championship, which is being held at Almaty in the Kazakhstan, he has won gold medal again. He has won the gold medal again. So, Mr. Ravi Kumar Dahiya is belonging to the sport of wrestling, and he won again the gold medal in the Kazakhstan, where the Asian Championships are being held. Next, we have an article where it is stated that Mr. Srihari Nataraj has won India a gold medal in the Open Swimming Championship. So, he has won the Open Swimming Championships gold medal, which is being conducted in the country of Uzbekistan. So Mr. Srihari Nataraj is belonging to the sport of open swimming or the swimming. Next we have an article relating to Mirabai Chanu. You should note that Miss Mirabai Chanu is related to the field of weightlifting. With this, we have completed all the relevant topics from both the newspapers, and we have come to the end of this session. Inform about ADORS initiative to your other aspirant friends. Thank you.
Add-on solutions. Add-on desires.